And from the General Mobile GM5 Plus, and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode. So we'll need to start off by powering off the phone. So hold power key and select power off. Now once it's off, we will hold volume down and power key, so these two. Yeah, you can let go now. And from here, using the volume up and down, we'll navigate and select recovery mode, as you can see on the top, and confirm it with power key. Okay, and once you see this Android with no command, hold power button and tap volume up once, like so. And from here, we're now in recovery mode. And here you can reboot system, do some updates, wipe cache, wipe the entire phone, and a couple other things. And you can navigate using the volume up and down, like so, and confirm your selection with power key. So I'm just gonna select reboot system now and let it turn back on. So that is how you access recovery mode and also how you leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.